MFBS, my food business solution, is a food, recipe and kitchen management system with an integrated e-commerce solution, providing compliance and control for any sized kitchen or sales operation. From a recipe to a personalized eating plan, MFB manages food orders, detailed productions while allocating staff tasks, all the way through e-commerce sales. Whether business to business or direct to the customers, table or door. Once set up, compliance for distance selling, allergens contained, and staff awareness is all just a tiny part of what my food business solution is designed to deliver to you. Optimized production, product innovation, kitchen management, automated product compliance, supply chain management with a fully integrated e-commerce solution designed specifically for food businesses. Any created menus and dishes can be selected for production. Everything is then aggregated. With a simple stock check done, food orders are then placed, evolved and developed in real time. Each feature is carefully programmed and refined, allowing a high level of flexibility that keeps everyone informed. Food ordering, aggregated pre-prep and production, nutritional and allergen information, staff handling instructions. Storage, cook chill sheets and even portion control can be included on production sheets. Individualized configurations provide the ability to manage and offer a broader range of business products and services. Meal prep, recipe kits, calorie-controlled diet plans, takeaways and restaurants, whether eat-in, pick-up, local delivery, a combination or all at once. No matter how diverse your operation is, MFB will manage all the logistics with just a few clicks. Dragging and dropping meals and dishes into menus will give dynamic nutritional feedback with total calorie counts for each course and side dish. Allergen exclusions and lifestyle choices are options to sort products with quick add to basket for direct purchasing from the shop. MFB makes recipe management and menu creation a piece of cake. Just drag meals to make courses and menu combinations ready to publish. Select menus, quantities required and confirm, is all that is necessary to administer any productions of any size smoothly. MFB focuses on the 6 key categories of any food producing business. Centralized recipe control. E-commerce food and product sales. Menu creation and categories management. Food ordering and supply chain. Preparation and kitchen production. With many additional operational features that include staff clock-in, multi-site setups with central control and much more. Hands-on for the past 20 years, our experience is just part of our guarantee. MFB will never be a cost to your business. It will, however, deliver operational savings while expanding the ability to create, produce and sell. We believe a short demonstration will reveal the many additional benefits offered with your MFB integration. For more detailed information, click below to book a video call.